Hi, writers. I'm really excited for all of us today because today we are on the brink of beginning our first drafts. We have selected entries, rehearsed in different ways, and tried on different leads. And today we can begin writing our flash drafts. But before we go any further with the lesson, today is one of those days when you're going to need a few particular writing tools. So right now, you're going to pause the video and get some paper for drafting and a pen or pencil, and then come back. Okay, now we're ready. Writers, my friend is studying to be an artist. And the other day, she told me that in her painting class, her teacher taught her to start by sketching without even looking down at her paper. He told her to keep her eyes fixed on the thing she is sketching. Writers actually do something similar. When writers do this, they start by filling themselves with the true thing that happened to them. They remember the very start of the story and storytell what happened first. Only this time, we're going to storytell by writing instead of talking. Writers keep their eyes fixed on their mental movie and write fast and long without stopping. I'm going to share with you how my friend Felix gave this a try, and his flash draft is so powerful. So this is Felix's writing, and it might be a little messy, and it certainly has some spelling mistakes, but I just want you to listen to the power of this fast draft. Felix, wake up. We have to go to the church. We went to the church. I stared, seeing all my family members. I did not know what was happening. Then I saw a big box coming out of the church. My grandma laid her head against the big brown box and started crying. I tugged on her shirt. Grandma, Grandma, what's in there? Just look. I stared through the screen. It was my grandfather. He was as pale as glue. Grandfather, get out of there. Come and help me make the paper airplanes you make. Don't go, don't. I'm sorry about what I said to you. I knocked on the screen. Wow, writers, how powerful. And you can give this a try too. You can think about your story. Once again, make that mental movie and then put your pen to paper and start writing fast and long without stopping. And writers, you might give this a try before you even get out of your seat today, before you even stop this video. You might grab your folder, grab your paper, grab a pen. And once you have it, make that mental movie. Put your pen to your paper and start writing.